Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an UNARC error when you try to install your PC games, especially this .DLL and UNARC.DLL error in Windows 10 or Windows 11 is mostly related to the installation of PC games as well as program of large size, because if your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So here you can try to increase Windows page file or virtual memory. You can try to press Windows plus R buttons and run sysdm.cpl. sysdm.cpl, click OK. Here you can click Advanced, click Settings, then again click Advanced, click on Virtual Memory Change, untick the Automatically box, and click on Custom Size. Here you can fill the blank initial size and maximum size. Recommended for you because of for most games 2.5 GB is enough, so the value which will work in most cases is 400 and 3000. And note that the values are in megabytes, so they set the maximum paging file size to the tune of 3 GB. Then after that you can reboot your PC. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click the thanks button below. See you in the next video.